Hey guys, it's George. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Welcome to a Tommy Hilfiger video. Today guys, I am so excited because I have a gift from the Tommy team. I have honestly no idea what is in this box. I'm in contact with a very special Tommy Hilfiger partner, Paige. Thank you so much for keeping in contact with me. She was kind enough to send me this box, and I do not know what is in here. Originally, I was supposed to be unboxing pieces from the 𝐓𝐴𝐕 collection, but that didn't happen. So there's a surprise in this box. So based on whatever is in here, I'm gonna name the title of this video. So as of right now, we're both kind of like, gonna be surprised. So that's kind of cool.
Girl.
I cannot stress enough how grateful I am to be receiving gifts from Tommy Hilfiger. This is amazing and a dream come true, and this is the first of 2023. We're gonna manifest plenty other pieces coming my way, because I really love to fill you guys in on new Tommy Hilfiger stuff. Aside from like the whole vintage Tommy Hilfiger vibe that I kind of like curate on this channel, I really do love also incorporating new pieces. So maybe perhaps I will be on their PR list this year. I don't know, that would be incredible, but we have some new Tommy here that we're gonna unbox. So if you're interested, grab yourself a snack, perhaps a drink, and keep on watching. This is the outfit of the day, OOTD. You guys, I'm kind of obsessed with how this is looking so Parisian. You know me, I'm all about like European style, but this is a vintage Tommy Hilfiger oversized blazer. If you can make, if you can make that out right there in the pockets. Can I bend over any? Oh. Tommy Hilfiger vintage blazer, oversized, we love it. Black on the black pleather, the black shoes, the gray, just random body glove tank top, and the gray beret, of course. And this is a Tommy Hilfiger bandana that I got last summer that I'm gonna be rocking a lot this year. So look, back to the box. The box, guys. I'm so excited to see what is in here, and honestly, I have absolutely no clue. There's so many beautiful new pieces that Tommy launched this year that I'm like, my mind is going 360, or whatever that saying is.
If any of you girls say anything cunty to me, I'm gonna beat the shit out of you.
Here we have it. Oh my goodness. This is actually kind of heavy too. There's definitely some weight here. We have a couple pieces. I guess I'll go one at a time. I don't know what this is, but it looks absolutely beautiful. Oh, this is from the 𝐓𝐴𝐕 collection, you guys. So I guess perhaps that's what we're going to be naming this video. Tommy Hilfiger 𝐓𝐴𝐕 unboxing. Oh my god. This is the cardigan. This is gorgeous. Oh my god, are you guys seeing that? It's this beautiful green. We have the TH monogram right there, which is, my cat wants to come in. Come on, Boots. He likes to be part of my Tommy Hilfiger hauls. Anyway, we got a beautiful cardigan right here. This color is insane. I'm absolutely in love with the monogram, you guys. Look at that. It's embossed, and the back. The back. Oh, the tag. You know me and my Tommy Hilfiger tags, like I collect them all. And basically this is a specialty tag right there. And on the interior of this, of course, we have a special tag as well. How cool is that? These colors together though, there's something so regal about this maroon, the yellow, and the navy, and the green. It just screams kind of like elite prep school. I don't know what it is, but I love that. This is a size medium. I'm sure it's gonna fit perfect, but we'll do a try on as well. I'm filming the try on portion of this video like after filming the unboxing, so that's why I'm dressed a little different. By the way, I'm wearing just a simple little jean moment, pressed Tommy Hilfiger button down. We got some gems going on here. Tennis diamond necklace. Very simple, but elevated, you know what I mean? Some brown Chelsea boots. But we're trying out this obviously first. It's the first item that I unboxed. It is the cardigan. There's one detail I noticed about this before actually going to try it on, but look at the sleeve. The sleeve actually has an embroidered initial for Anthony Ramos. I feel like that is so freaking cool. I love that, but let me put this on. Oh my God, you guys. So I actually put on this outfit because I feel like this cardigan would have went perfect with it. And I was not wrong. Look at how great these colors are with just a blue pressed button down. I feel like it looks so sophisticated. This is the front. I'm gonna wear this. I mean, you can wear your clothes however you want. Clearly the button down is a little bit big for this, unless it's a size medium. I'm normally like a large in sweaters, but I'm not mad at the medium. I feel like it looks put together. Like it's kind of not oversized, which is different for me for once. Kind of like it. I also noticed that on the buttons, this is pretty cool. They're tortoise in the front, but on the side, if you can make that out, they say Tommy Hilfiger. So that's a really cool detail I don't see too often with just the buttons. I love that. I freaking love this piece. Also, like I was calling out before, this moment, that's pretty cool. Next up we have, I think this is the scarf. Oh my goodness. The scarf, I was eyeing this up on the website. Honestly, that was like one of my favorite pieces from this drop. And the colors are the exact same as the cardigan. So we have like a theme going on here. Obviously a whole aesthetic from this Anthony Ramos collection. But holy crap, this is soft. This is thick. This is a very thick scarf. I absolutely... The monogram. The new Tommy Hilfiger monogram. By the way, did I say this before? I walked the Tommy Hilfiger runway that was shaped as its monogram. How insane is that? I can't believe I just said that. This scarf is amazing. There are so many variations on how to wear a scarf. I mean, honestly, you can just drape it over you, but check this out. Check out this freaking look. Are you kidding me? This just like ties it together beyond. I absolutely love this. It looks like I'm basically about to go to whatever school Gossip Girl cast goes to. Like that's basically the vibe I'm getting with this, and I freaking love it.
This is some good stuff.
I cannot believe I own this, to be honest with you. I was literally, oh my God. I wanted this so bad. You have no idea how bad I wanted these pants. These are the Anthony Ramos, I believe they're chinos, but they're a khaki, kind of like tapered pant, and they have the monogram on them. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. These are gorgeous. Are you guys seeing that? Look at the back. So the back part right here has the TH monograms. And the front right here, it's kind of like Carpenter looking in a way, a little rugged, but khaki. So I could definitely make this work with my style. On the interior right here, we have a little quote, came from the struggle, but it made me thrive. We absolutely love that. You know, the struggle is real, guys. The struggle is real. And as you've seen on my channel, I started off making Tommy Hilfiger videos from like 4 years ago, and here I am. That's a tag, by the way. This is a gorgeous piece. We have a torty button, same for the back, and this is a size 30, 32. I really, really hope that I can fit in these. That's gonna be a shame if I don't. I lost a little bit of weight, guys, because the summer bod starts now. It doesn't start in March, it starts now. So I've been working hardcore to be in shape and hopefully perhaps another Tommy Hilfiger show. So I'm really trying to, you know, get it together. And we have the Anthony Ramos pants. These are absolutely beautiful. Unfortunately, I feel like the 30 is a little big for me, which is odd because I can normally fit in a size 30. I guess I lost more weight than I was expecting, but check out the back. Look how beautiful that is. The Tommy Hilfiger logo, the TH monogram, and I love how that character is like right down here on the bottom of the pant. Looks like there's one more piece in the box, and this is a red moment, also from the Anthony Ramos collection. So this is basically, this is an Anthony Ramos haul, guys. I'm so happy that I was able to do this because several of you reached out to me and asked if I was going to be doing a video of this collection, and here I am, a little late, but I made it, and thank you to Tommy Hilfiger for all of this. But this is the red shirt. Originally, I mean, I'm grateful for whatever, but I kind of wanted to do a monochromatic look because they had this shirt in the same khaki color. So I kind of thought it'd be cool to do like a suit type of style out of it. Either way, this is beautiful. Let's go on boots. And I actually really love this red a lot. This is kind of like a Merlot, maybe like a wine color. Oh, and it's thick too. This is perfect for the winter. This is a size medium. It's gonna fit me perfect. And the TH monogram all on this side. Are you kidding me? This is beautiful. Oh my goodness, you guys. This button down feels, it just has a feeling to it of luxury. Like, this is a beautiful, beautiful piece. Again, we have the Anthony Ramos initials right here on the sleeve, if you can make that out. Very, very, very cool. I just love how there's so many details within this collection. It's insane. It is so freaking cool. But per usual, Tommy Hilfiger. So you have the TH monogram on this side, and then, is it on the back? I think the back's actually solid. Yeah, back is solid. But this is it out. I'm not sure if I'm liking this look with how, like, you know, baggy the pants are, and this out. So I'm gonna tuck this in and see if it looks a little better. Tucked in for the win. I feel like this is definitely a better look with these pants. A tucked in shirt just kind of makes this look a little bit more sophisticated in a way. I love the contrast of this red and this tone of khaki. This color combo, honestly, perfection. And one thing I really love is the back. Like right here, I keep stressing the back of these pants, how much I love it so much. But just seeing how this is going together, I can see the vision that Tommy was going for with this collab and this color palette. Amazing. Let me give you a little walk so you can see the full thing. By the way, actually, now that I'm sidetracked, this cardigan is giving me the same type of ambiance, right, as this collaboration. This is just regular Tommy jeans. This is Anthony Ramos, but it's kind of the same aesthetic in a way. There's endless details in all these pieces, guys. I just actually saw there's a green Tommy Hilfiger embroidered logo right there. How freaking, if you could even make it out, it's very subtle, but that's something that just is beyond. All right, guys, that is a wrap. Thank you so much for hanging out with me during this special experience, this surprise. I'm so beyond grateful to be receiving these gifts from Tommy Hilfiger. And again, thank you so much, Paige, my Tommy Hilfiger friend. I am beyond thrilled because I just love collecting pieces that I can archive and say I've had that Tommy Hilfiger piece from that year, from that collection. And it's so cool because there's literally so many variations of Tommy Hilfiger articles that come out. Like, one day I want to do a video where I show you like my favorite piece from 2018, 2019, 2020. So I kind of want to do that soon. Let me know if you'd be interested, but that's a wrap. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. I would absolutely love your company. Do not forget to follow the House of Hilfiger, which is my dedicated Tommy Hilfiger page. It's the #1 source for all things Tommy Hilfiger on Instagram, aside from the actual Tommy page, of course. But I basically share a bunch of my Tommy Hilfiger collection, some vintage pieces, some of you guys if you tag me, and it's a lot of fun. So House of Hilfiger, link down below. And it's officially a wrap, guys. Until next time, and as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.